Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a really cool unit. It's called Heartland North Trail. It's a 2022 25 RBP. So the RB means rear bath. So let's come and check this unit out. We got more King Kong storage here. North Trail does a really good job of giving you a lot of space for storage in the front. Obviously you got your power jacks as well. Really beautiful. And you got the LED lights with the awning on the top. So when you're hanging out and partying, you can totally do it under the awning. Coming to the back of the coach here, you do have an outdoor kitchen here. You got more space for cutting, other things. We got kids in the background, also excited about this trailer. Thanks guys, we'll pay you later. No, but there's like more storage right here or more places to prep your food or anything like that. You also have a refrigerator, and this does come with a place where you can hook up your propane tank. So over here, it'll just basically come around, and then the propane hookup should be on the bottom there as well. So if you want to do some outdoor barbecues, you totally can. Let's go ahead and take a look in this coach, guys. We got the light interior in this one, okay? This one is a rear bath, so let's actually look at the rear bath first. Check out that bathroom. We got two sinks, yeah, and it's a really nice medicine cabinet at the top, as well as the walk-in shower. It's got a really nice look to this. Love the light interior. You also have the sliding door as well, the farm style. A lot of people like that nowadays, and I mean, I think it's really nice. It's got that really good modern feel. You also got this L-shaped couch, which you don't see every day. Which is really, really nice. You can hang out and chill with the family, with your friends, anything like that. Super, super cool. You also have this dinette here with the booth as well as the two freestanding chairs. So you can manipulate the space how you want to. It's really, really beautiful. On the back there, you can also put a TV. So if you want to host guests, you can totally do that. It's got the hookups right there. You got more counter space in this one, probably in any other Heartland North Trail. Yeah, just plenty of counter space. Very, very open feeling, not like closed off or separation. You got your kitchen essentials here as well. You got the 3-burner stove cooktop, the oven, and the microwave. More chances for storage for pots, pans, mugs, or anything like that on the top or the bottom. Check this out down here. Lots and lots of space, yeah? And you got access to the piping there as well. So if you need to, or things get clogged, you totally can do that. More drawers here on the side. Dang, look at this. Can put so many things in here. And you also got some storage right here as well. You got the stainless steel sink, pretty deep sink, really, really nice. And checking out the refrigerator over here. Pretty nice size what we got going on here. The 6 cubic fridge, super beautiful. As well as the storage or pantry area. You could put more cereals or any other things, perishable items, non-perishables if you want. Anything like that. So lots of space in here, very open feeling to host a lot of people if you wanted to. And this one also, I don't feel like super squished together going into this. So come on and take a look in here. We got our king size bed, and Heartland does a really good job of this. They really want you to feel comfortable in this coach. So they give you that king size mattress, and it's not a rinky dink mattress. It's actually pretty dang comfortable. Don't let the wrapper fool you, huh? It just came in. So we also got some wardrobe closets here on the side, as well as the electric outlets underneath. You can put your CPAP machines, iPhone chargers, anything you really can think of are plug in right there. You got more chances for storage right here. It's more wardrobe storage and things like that. And you can also, if you wanted, you can hook up a TV just right above me right there. So really nice open feeling in the living room. Give you a huge mattress in the bedroom. Guys, this one's a really nice coach. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, feel free to give me a call, okay? I'd love to help you out. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794, and I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.